Seeing monsters at your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though.
Hey guys, welcome to this video and my name is Abhishek and today we will see about the MIUI 12.5 Super Wallpapers APK for any Android devices. The MIUI 12.5 is now revealed and in the closed beta for few devices. We have already posted the stock wallpapers and the MIUI 12.5 ringtones. You can find them in the link in the description below. So here are the MIUI 12.5 Super Wallpapers APK for any Android devices. So firstly you have to go to the link in the description below. So after going to that link, just scroll down and download all these three wallpapers. These are three MIUI 12.5 Super Wallpapers APK available in the MIUI 12.5 closed beta update. So you have to download these all, and thanks to the Linux CT for providing these wallpapers. He always port the wallpapers like from Asus ROG, OnePlus or the previous MIUI 12 Super Wallpapers APK. But so all the credits goes to him. And let's see these beautiful wallpapers. So first is Snow Mountain Wallpaper APK, next is Geometry Dark, and the second version of it is Geometry Bright Wallpaper APK. So you have to just follow the simple steps that I am going to follow. So firstly you have to download all the three wallpapers. So just by going to the link below and just wait for 10 seconds and you can download the file. So after downloading all the three files, you have to download like this. Just go to the file manager where I have downloaded these files. So install it one by one. So I will install this Geometry Super Wallpaper Bright first. Just a stupid scanning update. Then second is Geometry Dark. These are the two variants. One is a bright and one is a dark. So you can try both of them, but for me the Snow Mountain wallpaper is the best one. It looks good and maybe it can change according to your weather or the time. So I'll be posting more about the MIUI dynamic wallpapers. So subscribe to the channel and make sure you turn on that notifications. So I have installed all the three wallpapers. Now I have to go to the Play Store and search for this Google Wallpapers app. So search for this Google Wallpapers app and install it. So I have installed it already. So just open it. And here you will see different types of wallpapers. Scroll down below and we have to find this Live Wallpapers app. Just click on that and here you can see all these three installed wallpapers. So firstly let's try Geometry Super Bright Wallpaper. So it will take time to load. Make sure you don't just set wallpaper after opening it. So just wait for a few minutes and just set wallpaper for home screen and the wallpaper will be applied like this, as you can see. And if I just lock and unlock, as you can see, this type of animation will be applied. And if you scroll in the home screen, the wallpaper will turn. And let's try now the second one. So just scroll down again, go to Live Wallpapers, and now this is the dark mode of the same wallpaper. So just set. Oh, I have to wait. Just set wallpaper, then home screen, and this one is the same wallpaper as the previous one, just the mode is the dark one. And this one also animate after you unlock the screen like this. This one is my favorite wallpaper, Snow Mountain Super Wallpaper from this MIUI 12.5. So I have installed this already. So just again I have to go to the wallpapers, again scroll down for Live Wallpaper section and just click on Snow Mountain. So just wait for a while. So this will appear, then click on Set Wallpaper, then click on Home Screen. So as you can see, this wallpaper will look like this, and it will look like a 3D wallpaper if you scroll into your home screen. So I'll just lock the smartphone and unlock it again. So this is how it looks. So if you want the static wallpapers of MIUI 12.5, I have updated on the site itself. You can find them on this site. Just you can scroll down here and just here you can see MIUI 12.5 stock wallpapers and stock ringtones collection. There are stock wallpapers which are static wallpapers, and these are the stock ringtones available in the latest EMI UI 12.5 closed beta. So guys, if you like these wallpapers, make sure you share them with your friends, and if you subscribe this channel, it will be more help for me, because I'm just starting and the studio is not set up yet. I'm just starting. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll be bringing more these type of videos. So I'll see you in my next video.
Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarm,